We got another unboxing, and it usually seems like it goes in kind of like spurts, like a bunch of good stuff will drop, and then it'll be kind of like dry, and there won't be many unboxings for a while since I don't pick anything up. But that being said, we'll get into the unboxing. This is a Palace Tri-Pumping t-shirt. I believe this dropped 2 weeks ago or whatever. It was Palace's last like official drop of the season, or not like official lookbook drop of the season. That's today. They actually just had the Palace Mit Hesh shirt, I think. Mit Hesh fresh shirt. I don't know. I forget what it's called. It was the one with the like tri-ferg and then the snake on it, which I thought was really cool. I wanted to go for the yellow colorway, but man, I never have luck with Palace drops. Like I can never cop fast. Like I always get screwed in the queue, so that happened and I wasn't able to get through. But anyway, here we go. We have the Palace Tri-Pumping shirt anyway. Actually doesn't look like I got any stickers, which is kind of whack. Oh, never mind, I did. I got one. So I think every time I've ordered from Palace, they just give you one sticker. It's either this black one or the white one, and I actually prefer the white one more, just because I don't think these black ones are transparent. I could be wrong, but I think these ones actually have like a white outline, whereas the white version of the sticker, instead of having white, it'd be clear, and then the black is white, obviously. But whatever, a sticker, I got plenty of those. And here it is, the Tri-Pumping t-shirt. As always, same packaging from Palace. I love this. They got the like Ziploc bags, the big tri-ferg on the front. It's cool packaging, but personally, I think this was a really cool design. The Tri-Pumping, you have like, oh wow, this looks this looks really cool up close. You can kind of see like more detailing, more colors. But yeah, I think this was probably the best colorway. Like I really like this design. They have like the coilovers forming the tri-ferg. I always love seeing what Palace comes up with for the tri-fergs. I think it's kind of where they shine in a lot of ways. They also will have like really interesting silhouettes or like custom pieces, but other than that, I think their tri-fergs and what they come up with, because they do come up with such cool ideas for the tri-fergs, is always an interesting thing to me. At least I feel like a lot of people like it as well, because it is the Palace logo. These are usually the more hyped items, but I think this was a really cool one. Like I said, you got the tri-coilover, the tri-pumping, but you really just didn't have it for colorways, man. The colorways did not hit in this design, except for this one. I think this was maybe the only good colorway. But yeah, this also dropped in hoodies, but I think the colorways differed a little bit between the hoodies and the tees as well. So yeah, but I think this is probably the best tri-pumping piece. Like obviously it's the one I copped, but yeah, I like it. So I'll try this on and I'll get back to you guys. So I got this in an XL, and usually I border between a large and an XL, but I figured, this is a great colorway. It's a good like one that you can just rock. I like this design. I want to rock this a lot. So I usually go with the larger size or the XL if I'm going to get something that I want to rock a lot, so I can like wash it and dry it and stuff like that, and maybe not care about it shrinking. So that's why I went this path. But honestly, I have large Palace tees and they fit like pretty perfect. They're right on like the border of like being too small. Palace pieces are usually pretty high quality. Like this is their t-shirts are definitely expensive. Like they're $10 more than Supreme, and a lot of people think most Supreme stuff is overpriced, but as far as the t-shirts go, I don't think Supreme's too bad. As far as the quality goes, Palace has really soft t-shirts. They're very comfortable. The fit is amazing. It feels good on you. And the print is also like a high quality print. I like it. That's about it for the unboxing though. Here's the shirt. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. As always, thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and I will see you in the next video.